Hello everyone, today I'm just going to show very quickly. I'm working on a Mazda 3. I am changing the control arm, this right here. If you want to make your life easier, remove the caliper, remove the disc. This way you have more space to work for the ball joint that is here. It is a 14 here, another 14 here, right here. It's a nut on this side. As you can see, the car is quite rusted. We are located in Montreal, so there's a lot of salt and such during winters, so that's why it's all there's so much rust. I strongly suggest you to heat up the bolt for at least 10 minutes with propane torch if you're working at home, and then you slowly kind of turn it, make sure it doesn't break inside, because otherwise you'll have a lot of trouble afterwards. But otherwise it worked perfectly. You can use a kind of punch to spread this clip or clamp, suspension or ball joint clamp, to spread it, and it'll come out easier. And then what I did here is as you can see, the car is supported on one side and another jack stand right here. And what I did was I jacked up the engine from the right side, the passenger side, and kind of lift just enough for the bolt to pass through. You can see here. Well, you don't forget to remove the shield for the AC compressor. It's held by 12 millimeters, I believe. And then you'll have a bit more space. Jack up the engine and you'll have just enough for you to remove this control bolt. So this way you don't have to remove the engine mounts and stuff like that. It also works on the Mazda 5. It is the same engine, same concept, same subframe, so it will also work on the Mazda 5, and it works on all Mazda 3. So and then you'll have these two 17. So it's not so bad. It's just the rust you'll have to deal with. So like I said, use a torch for this bolt right here, and then make sure you use rust penetrant, a lot of it. I use a lot, as you can see, and also use the torch. So good luck, guys. If you need any help, let me know with the comments down below. Hopefully it will help you guys to make your life easier. So just right here, you see just enough space.